Hi guys, this video is a bit different to most of my videos. So in this video I'll be turning a famous person into a cartoon show character. So today I'll be turning the queen of pop, Ariana Grande, into a disenchantment character. If you did not know, this is a show on Netflix. I've watched a few trailers on it and the art style immediately caught my eye, so I decided why not try it out. My reference is from the main character, Bean. Yeah, that's her name. I use the app Procreate Pocket. It is downloadable on iPhone, and there is an iPad version simply called Procreate, which is $5 by the way. I will insert clips here and there of me doing it, and then a final Speedpaint at the end. This is in no way, shape or form hate to Ariana. She's an absolute queen, and I think we can all agree to that. This is just for fun and me to experiment with different art styles. This will be a series of videos, and I will definitely make a playlist if any of y'all want to binge watch my videos, which I'll be very thankful of, which you should definitely do. Today's shout outs go to Lara, Pastel Gale Plays, and Lord 444. Thank you guys so much for the support, and I really appreciate it. And if you're new to my channel, don't forget to click that red subscribe button below to get more content from me, and turn on your post notifications to get a notification whenever I upload a video. And also guys, I just wanted to say thank you for the support I've been receiving recently and from all of you guys. I just love you all, and let's get into the video. So first, obviously, I inserted a photo as I wanted to get some reference from the main character, which is, what's her name? Bean. Sorry. But yeah. And I think I started with sketching just to get a rough, and I used I think I ended up using the 6B pencil, but then at first I used another pencil, but just to get a rough idea and like just to get it set out for what I'm gonna do on top of that, so that I make sure it's perfect. So obviously firstly I had to sketch it out. As y'all can see, I was really struggling with this part.
1, 2, 3.
Because I'm not used to like doing things without direct reference, just like seeing the thing and then having to just do it on plain white paper. Not paper, but like on a plain screen, which is very hard. But I think I did nail this though. I think I managed to do it. So yeah, just enjoy me trying to work out how the different parts of her like body, like her eyes, are like put into shape by the people. And yeah, I was just trying to figure out the different shapes, because them eyes have a weird shape, y'all cannot argue with me. But yeah, I was trying to do that. So just watch the sketch, you know, just to make it relaxing way, so that y'all can enjoy this as a sketch. So yeah, just gonna put some music now, and yeah, let me go. I'll be back when the sketch is done. Enjoy it, satisfying. Bye, peace.
1, 2, 3.
But y'all, I'm back after a few seconds, and this is what I had to say. That neck was giving me problems. That's all I'm gonna say. It was really messing with me because I did not know how to do it. Because she was standing like other side. So I wanted mine to be like exactly like hers, so that was really hard because I'm used to drawing people from like the front view, if you know what I mean. There, like eye. But then I couldn't do that now because I wanted to make it exactly like hers, but the version of the Queen Ariana. So yeah, let me go now. I've been talking too much, y'all.
Choose your fighter.
Slightly inspired. Fight.
Also, y'all, I had to pop in and say why I was going to the picture of Bean, the main character on the show Disenchantment, and like redrawing the nose on top of the actual thingy, because I wanted my finger to get used to like drawing that kind of shape, because it was really hard, y'all, to draw that kind of shape. Like, it was hard, but I managed to do it at the end. Yeah, because y'all should not forget that's my reference, and I want it to be like that, but Ariana Grande. Also, y'all, the teeth. I did not know that they didn't have a space between them, so I kept drawing them in spaces. Instead, guys, don't make the same mistakes I made. Look at the picture and actually, like, use it as your reference, because I think I'm always right, and this time I wasn't. Like, there was no gap between them, and I was like, no, I should make this work. It did not work. Just stick to what you're given. I figured it out at the end though. So yeah. And the long neck. I know. Don't even talk about it. A long neck. Don't even talk about it. I over exaggerated that neck. We all know that. And if y'all are like, oh, I just keep zooming in, that is because I want to get a more precise view of what I'm doing, and that's a tip as well. Zoom in. Don't be afraid to do that. Zoom in, okay? To make sure your lines are sharp and smooth and precise. And I got a comment, yeah, from a lively supporter. Here, like I said, I didn't film the whole process. I just filmed parts of when I was doing it, just to show you the key bits. Not key bits, but like, yeah, you get it. And then here I had done the hair, I'd done everything. The sketch was over. I'd added a new layer and done the actual real thing. And yeah. So really for this one, just played around with it, you know, just to make everything look sharp and as sharp and as neat as possible, y'all. But yeah. Oh my gosh. So here I was just adding shadows, like the cartoons on the show have a lot of dimension, shadows, highlights, so I wanted to add that too. And I finally fixed the teeth. That was really bothering me, but I did fix it. And I added a little dimple because we cannot forget that this is the Ariana Grande, and obviously she does have a dimple, so yeah, didn't forget to add that. No, I did not. y'all, I was really struggling with this one because I wanted to get them the shadows and those lines the same size. I did it at the end. But then I just said it's from like a slight angle, so that might be why my finger naturally did that. But yeah, ignore that. What are those gloves called? Y'all comment down below. I don't know. What are those gloves called? I don't know. Yeah, we didn't forget them. We added them. Because Ariana had them and get a name. Bean had them as well. So I had to add them. I don't know what they called. Comment down below if you know. I'm gonna Google after this. And finally, I was done with the clips, and now is the speed paint. What we've all been waiting for. I don't even have to explain the speed paint to y'all because y'all, it's too fast. That's why it's called speed paint. The sketch was quite questionable, but we fixed that. Because I went with the sketch obviously because that's the whole point of it, but I switched it up a little bit, also in terms of the teeth. Skin tone, could not get it, but then end up getting it at the end. I don't think that's the exact one, but we move. Still pretty. And then we did the dress. Sure to do that. The shoulder line, I couldn't do that. Y'all, so forgive me for that one, really. I don't know. I think it's okay. Yeah. The gloves, or whatever they called. Y'all, my dumb head forgot to add the other hand, but I did it at the end like we always do. The hand, perfect, marvelous. And that's it, guys. How did I do? Please rate this recreation thingy Ariana in the comments, and I personally give it a solid 8 out of 10. It's really good. If you come to squad, you are a true subscriber, and yeah, you are all true subscribers. Like, thank you so much for watching this video, and don't forget to give it a thumbs up and follow my social medias that will be linked down below. I love you. Bye. And follow my social medias that will be linked down below. I love you. Bye.